Hey guys, it's the Artsy Night Elf, aka Bella Golden, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to create an art aesthetic on your Instagram account or whatever account that you are on, or even for portfolios. Basically anything that you want to have an art aesthetic, I will teach you how to do that. So first of all, how can an art aesthetic be beneficial? Well, it can make your work look a lot more organized and cohesive. It also gives people a good idea of who you are. So this relates kind of to branding. So if someone were to see your art on the wall, they would be able to guess, oh, this person probably made this art. So if you're someone who's trying to be recognizable or like famous or something, branding is important for that. Here's what my aesthetic looks like if you are wondering. I have a fantasy theme going on with night elves, also some sci-fi themes going on as well. I also have a color palette of like purple, blue, and pink happening, although as you can see there are some variations of color. They're not always those colors, and I think it's good to have variation, and you should never put yourself inside of a box too tightly. It totally kills the spirit, totally kills your spirit, so just keep that in mind while watching this video. So first tip for creating an art aesthetic is create a color palette. A good place to find color palettes is on color.adobe.com. There you can upload a photo and it can actually show you the color palette that's in that photo if there's a photo that you really like that has a nice color palette. You can also explore other people's color palettes on that website to see what kind of color palettes you like. So what you would do is you would take those colors and then you would incorporate those colors into all of your art. Obviously you can do variations of these colors. It doesn't have to be black and white where everything has to be those colors. You can use variations of purple, variations of blue, and stuff like that. My second tip for creating an art aesthetic is to pick a theme. The types of themes that you can pick are fantasy, sci-fi, romance, body image, justice, action, horror. There are so many themes. You can actually Google a list of themes and you will find a huge list of themes that you can draw. You don't necessarily need a theme. This is just one of the options for creating an aesthetic. Here are some art Instagram accounts that I'll show you for examples of themes. Here we have Robin Eisenberg. She has the theme of body image and space. She's really cool. Here is Keely L's account. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but she is really cool. She makes witchy looking art and stuff, and her aesthetic is very witchy. Yeah. She even has like this Ouija board. I don't know what that is, but I'm not sure what that is, but that's a Ouija board thingy. I watch her videos and they're very witchy and I like that aesthetic. As you can see on her account, she doesn't take her witchiness theme very seriously. Like she has variations where, you know, she draws like a demon, which is kind of still witchy. If you look at other stuff, this one's not very witchy. It's very space-like, which is pretty cool too. So just because you have an aesthetic doesn't mean you have to like be 100% with the aesthetic all the time. Here is Brushes and Bunnies art account. Her theme is portraits. As you can see, she does lots of portraits, and that's her thing, which is pretty cool. Here is Emily Harvey's art. She has a theme of purple. Her aesthetic is purple. Her theme is doing like Disney characters and basically like a lot of Disney vibe stuff, you know? Good vibes, positive vibes, Disney vibes. That's her theme that she has on her account. By the way, quick shout out, I have a Patreon that's out. On there, I post exclusive art, I have mail tiers, I have NSFW art, I have more videos, I have podcasts, so go check out my Patreon. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or any ideas for my next video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and subscribe and like this channel. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye!